Canmore is a town in Alberta's Rocky Mountains, west of Calgary. It's known for craggy summits like the Three Sisters and Ling Peak. In nearby Canmore Nordic Centre Provincial Park, the Grassi Lakes Trail weaves past a waterfall to two turquoise blue lakes. The park also features cross-country ski and mountain bike trails. East, Grotto Canyon's steep limestone walls flank a narrow creek bed leading to a cave. At the heart of Canmore is the vibrant downtown core. Nestled between the glacier-fed waters of the Bow River, the picturesque walking trails along Policeman's Creek and the grandeur of the Rocky Mountains, you will discover a downtown unlike any other.